Welcome to GSI's Surgical Instrument Repair Training Program. Section 3, Ring Handle Forceps Operation and Inspection. This section will explain how ring handled forceps operate and how to inspect the instruments for proper operation. The vast majority of ring forceps operate with the same basic settings that balance three different adjustments. The box lock, ratchets, and jaws must be adjusted in a balanced relation to each other for the instrument to operate correctly. Step 1. Inspection for cracks. Inspect all instruments for cracks. If there are any cracks discovered, the instrument must not be used. The most common cracks found on ring forceps will be noticed on the box lock between the pin and the outer edge. Cracks will also be found where the jaws join the box lock and where the box lock joins the shank. Pay close attention to the jaws on needle holders. The jaws are known to crack where the jaws join the box lock. Step 2. Box lock inspection. When properly adjusted, the box lock allows the instrument to open and close smoothly while firmly holding the jaws as they close. Surgical instruments are exposed to extreme temperature variation due to autoclaving. This can cause the box lock to loosen due to heat-related expansion and contraction. The action of closing and opening the instrument can also loosen the box lock. A loose box lock can cause an instrument to fail during use because it does not hold the ratchets firmly together and it does not allow the jaws to align properly. To inspect the box lock for looseness, firmly grasp the ring handles in each hand. Wiggle them in opposing directions with the instrument slightly open. Notice the separation movement in the jaw and the ratchets. There should be no movement or very minimal movement in the box lock. Section 3, Ring Handled Forceps Ratchet Inspection. When properly adjusted, the ratchets should be in a straight line in relation to each other. With the jaws closed, the ratchet should be almost touching and should mesh together at each closed step. With the ratchets completely closed, inspect how the ratchet teeth mesh together. Worn teeth will not mesh properly and can cause a properly adjusted instrument to not hold and close. Forceps with warm ratchets should be sent out for repair. Step 4. Ring handled forceps jaw inspection. First, inspect the jaws from the side to ensure that the jaws do not overlap. Note the side alignment of these two instruments. Next, position the instrument with the jaws in front of the backlight and close the jaws so that the tips are touching. As you close the ratchets, the jaws should close evenly from the tip to the base with the jaws completely closed. There should be no irregular gaps between the two jaws. Pay close attention to the tips to ensure that they do not reopen when the ratchets are completely closed. On forceps with teeth on the tip of the instrument, slowly close the teeth and observe how they mesh together. The teeth should come together without the sides of the teeth touching until completely closed. Step 5. Ring handled forceps burr inspection. Burrs are sharp distortions in the metal that can cause an instrument to malfunction. Carefully visually inspect the sharp points on towel clips and the tips of ring handled forceps. Micro burrs can best be discovered by carefully feeling the surface of the instrument with your fingers. Ring handled forceps inspection review. Inspect the instrument for cracks, inspect the box lock, inspect the ratchets, inspect the jaws, and inspect for burrs.